Have you ever thought about becoming a police officer? If you have, or even if you haven't, then you might be interested to know that here in South Wales there are now more routes than ever to become a police constable. People often think about policing as being about blue lights and pub fights, but it's very different to that. And we are looking for people with a wide range of backgrounds and skills to join our force and help us to continue to keep the communities of South Wales safe. It is a difficult job, no doubt, and it can be extremely challenging, but it's also one of the most rewarding you could possibly imagine. If you feel you've got what it takes, then we're looking for you to join us, and we'd really love to hear from you. If you're not quite sure, then listen to some of our recruits and let them tell you about their experiences.
I previously was a PCSO and I love just getting involved within the communities and things like that. And I think from working with other officers, I thought to myself, yeah, it's something I want to do, it's a challenge, it's something new.
I was a professional golfer for about a year and a half, where I came straight out of school around 17, 18 and did that for a while, but it wasn't for me. And I thought this is definitely an interesting job and you learn a lot and you mature, which I needed. I wanted to, help people, and that was my main focus, and no one else in my family pursued that. I didn't want to go to university, I wanted to jump into full-time work, and this just seemed to really fit my personality.
I used to work for Tesco. I spent 4 years straight out of school. I'd spoken to a lot of officers who were currently serving because I had experience with them when they were coming into my shop. So it was just a case of, it's a wonderful job, you'll never look back. And I felt that I've used the skills that I've got from retail and just applied it straight over to the police force.
I worked for RNIB, which is a charity for blind and partially sighted people, and I saw the difference that they made to the community, and I just wanted to make that difference to a wider community.
I'd say from the age of about 10, seeing police officers out on the streets, I've always looked up to them, and from all these different programmes on the TV, it's always appealed to me.
Training's been intense. It's been 16 weeks in total, so it has been a long time, but it's been really good. We've done a lot of practical stuff, a lot of theory-based, which we've been able then to put into practicals. So yeah, it's been really good, and our trainer's been fab, so it's always a positive.
It was really fun, really challenging, and I've learned a lot about myself.
The training was character building. There have been highs, there have been lows, but ultimately I've come away from it thinking, what a blast. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'd probably do it again.
First month was, it was a whirlwind. I couldn't get my head around it, and now, the last couple of months with the help of the trainers, I was able to become a police officer, which is the whole aim of the course.
I'm looking forward to learning really and getting stuck in, because I know once you get out and get involved, that's when the real learning starts.
Engaging with the community, that's what I'm most looking forward to.
I can't wait to meet my team. I can't wait to, because I'm going to Swansea Central, I can't wait to find out what Wednesday nights and Saturday nights are like.
Just looking forward to putting everything we've learned now into practice.
Go for it. There's nothing to lose with it. If you know anyone who is an officer or works within South Wales Police, go and speak to them, get as much information as you can.
Go for it, won't regret it.
It's challenging, but for me, it's all I've ever wanted to do.